Hello everybody, welcome to the Hornet Warrior channel. This is the second installment of Life in the Nest, a bald-faced hornet queen. It's now been a week, and as you can see from the video, things have turned bad for the queen and the nest, as there's two large black ants eating the larvae. This actually happened 2 days ago, and it appears the queen has left to start a new nest, as it's her ultimate goal to survive the summer. I'm currently looking for a new nest to continue this part of the series. So until that happens, I thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to the channel for future content.